Hello guys, my name is Matthew and I'm happy to be as a guest on our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the perfect 3-egg omelet every time. We will need 4 different ingredients. We will need salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of each, 3 large grade A eggs, and a tablespoon of butter. What you want to do is get your stove on medium-low heat. You are going to take the butter. If you don't have butter, you can also use olive oil or avocado oil, also works really well. Again, we're gonna need a tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in the skillet. We're gonna let it melt for about 30 seconds until it evenly spreads out. All right, so while the butter is melting, at this time we can go ahead and put it down to low heat. We're gonna crack our eggs into the bowl. If you want to, you can add water or milk to this bowl and it'll be a little creamier, but for our omelet, we will not be doing that. You're just gonna beat the eggs until it is one solid color throughout. This is what your eggs should look like when you're done. Let's go back over to our skillet and we'll see that our butter is ready. You keep the majority of the butter in the middle and you're just gonna pour your eggs in. While you pour your eggs in, the butter should expand with it. Pour it in slowly and evenly. Move the spatula around so that it's even throughout and wait until it becomes non-stick on the bottom, and then you should be good to flip it. A lot of people, while the eggs are in the bowl, they'll put the salt and pepper in, but I think it mixes better if you do it while it's in the skillet. So you're gonna take a pinch of salt, evenly distribute it, and then do a few shakes with the pepper, and then you should be good and seasoned. At this time, you can also go ahead and get your toppings, cheese, any meats, any vegetables, while your egg is cooking. We're using Monterey Jack. You can also use Mexican, mozzarella, American, any of those will work good with this omelet. What you want to look for is this gooey part of the egg on top to get cooked throughout. It can still be a little, but it shouldn't be able to move around a lot. So we're just gonna let it sit until that is done, and then we'll flip it. At this point, your omelet, the gooey on top should be in one spot only, and this is when you're gonna do the flip. So what I like to do is scoot the egg over so you have more room with your spatula. Just get it under, give it a good flip. And you see that color on the egg, that's what you're looking for, that yellow. What we're gonna do now is take it off the heat for a second while we put our toppings on. So I will get our cheese. Again, you can use whatever you'd like. Meats work really good, ham, sausage, bacon. And we're just gonna put the cheese. One side works best for this, roughly on 1/2 of it. Do however much you want. Either like a serving or a 1/4 cup works really well for an omelet. So once you get the cheese, just put your toppings away and put it back on the heat. What you're gonna do is, again, shift the omelet over so you have more room with your spatula. You're gonna take this half and fold it over on itself. And let it cook for about another 15 to 30 seconds. At this point, the omelet should be good and cooked and the cheese should be melted. So what you're gonna do is get your spatula under it. You can use the pan to help you, and you're just gonna plate the omelet. Once you do that, you can put whatever seasoning on top. If you want more salt, you can do that. Oregano works really good. Parsley works good. But once you do that, it should be ready to eat.
That's good.
It's very good. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you all later.